Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video I want to show you the prasadam we offer for Durga Devi. Durga Devi we can offer lemon rice or tamarind rice. So and favorite color is red color and fruits are apples, red apples. So let's see how to prepare the lemon rice. It's an easy one. So at first we need to cook the rice separately, and then I took in a bowl, and while mixing it I am going to add the turmeric and also curry leaves. So you can mix the rice with these two things. We can also add oil if you want. And so for the tempering I took the peanuts and I fried them separately and I added into the rice, and then later I am going to add all other ingredients in the tempering. For the tempering I took 2 tablespoons of oil, and then I am adding the red chilies, urad dal, chana dal and mustard seeds together, and let the mustard seeds splutter, and then I will add the hing, that is most important in the lemon rice. It gives a nice flavor. And later I cut the green chilies into green color, and then I am adding them into here tempering. That's it, and add this tempering to the rice. And in a separate bowl I took lemon, I squeezed the lemon juice, and then adding the salt in the lemon juice. Mix this lemon juice with the salt in the rice. Mix it nicely. Lemon rice is ready and we can offer it to Durga Devi. Thank you for watching. Bye.